Hello, and welcome to OCL's video tutorial series. In this video, I will show you how to access SCdiscus from the Orangeburg County Library's website. To begin, we're going to open an internet browser window. You can use any internet browser. For example, Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, or if you're an Apple user, Safari. I will be using Google Chrome. Go ahead and left double-click on the icon. On the top of your browser window, you will see an address bar. Type in orangeburg.org/OCL and hit the Enter key. Once your page loads, you will scroll down until you see several tiles. SCdiscus is the first tile. Go ahead and click anywhere on the logo. This pop-up here just shows you that you are going to be navigating away from the OCL page and to the SCdiscus page. Go ahead and left-click on OK. This is the SCdiscus website. SCdiscus is a collection of databases provided by the South Carolina State Library. These databases are educational resources geared for all ages, from beginning readers all the way through college, and they are accessible anywhere within South Carolina. On certain databases, you may be asked to enter a username and password. These are now showing on your screen and will also be included in the description for this video. We will show several of the databases contained within SCdiscus in separate videos, but there are several ways that you can begin to explore on your own. Here, in the upper right-hand corner, is a search bar, and you can search any term that you're wanting to know more about. However, in my opinion, the best way to search is using A to Z list. This provides you with an alphabetical list of all of the databases and services contained within SCdiscus. You can also search by grade level and subject matter. This concludes the tutorial on how to access SCdiscus from the OCL website. If you have any questions, feel free to message us on OCL's Facebook page. Thank you for watching.